got some homemade rock sliders or steps or Nerf bars. I don't know. Silver streak mica. Got some good clear coat coming tomorrow for them, that 2K. See how that works out. Alright, I got the clear coat from Amazon. It's this one everybody buys. So I got one open. Ready to go here. Let's see how it works before I throw the mask on. Nice spray. We'll see how they come out. Gotta get a mask on. Let's see how it came out. Pretty good. Got a run or two, but it's not too bad. A little run right there, but what could you do? Shiny and hard. Put about 3 coats on there, 2 cans, 15 minutes in between each coat. Yep, back with the regular cab again. Finally got my side rock sliders done. I don't know if you want to call them rock sliders or just sidebars, because they go to the body. They made them brackets mount right to the body instead of the frame. I looked all over for somebody that sells something like this, but nobody makes them, I guess, so I made them myself. Put a little plate there with a logo, same logo as the skid plate. I wanted to get them as high and as tight as I could. It wasn't easy. .30-degree angle. Came out good. didn't have a tubing bender either, so I made them out of 45-degree elbows and welded them. You could see maybe the weld there. You could see the stamping on it. But nobody knows. Nobody could tell. Except me. Put that little plate under there, but you can't really see it. But it's there. A little bow hunting today. Cost me $50 for the square tubing, 25 for the round tubing. See, I had it at such an angle, I had to cut these bottoms off. That looks good like that. I think they look good. People won't like that they're mounted to the body, but I didn't want to do nothing to the frame. It's a brand new frame. I don't need anything like that either. So I did it my way. They're not steps, no steps. I didn't want them to be steps. Alright. So that's it for that video. Pretty soon it'll be going away for the winter in the barn.